When you were born, you took your very first breath, and you have been breathing automatically ever since. Most of us never think about how we breathe. It just happens, right? We do notice it sometimes though. Have you ever felt short of breath? What were you doing when you felt that way? We all must breathe so that our cells have the oxygen they need to move and work properly. You breathe in with the help of a muscle called the diaphragm, which sits just below your lungs. The diaphragm stretches out, allowing the lungs to expand and fill with air that comes in through the nose and down the trachea. Once air reaches the lungs, small bronchial tubes and tiny air sacs called alveoli allow your blood to absorb the oxygen and carry it to different parts of your body. When we breathe out, we release carbon dioxide or CO2, which is a waste gas. Those tiny air sacs we mentioned before, the alveoli, help with this process by absorbing carbon dioxide from your blood. Carbon dioxide is pushed out of your lungs when your diaphragm tightens. When the stale air leaves your body, you automatically breathe in fresh, new air to start the process all over again. The process of breathing in and breathing out is controlled by a system in your body called the respiratory system. Your nose, windpipe, lungs, bronchial tubes, and alveoli are all part of this system. Oxygen gives our bodies energy. When you play or exercise, you're using a lot of energy. That's why you may breathe in and out very rapidly and feel like you're running out of air when you move quickly. If you feel like you need more air than usual, breathe in or inhale through your nose for about 4 seconds and breathe out or exhale through your nose or mouth for another 4 seconds. Most living things on Earth require clean, fresh air to survive. Unfortunately though, sometimes the air around us is not as clean as we would like it to be. Pollution from cars, factories, and other human activities often leaves the air filled with chemicals and particles that can be harmful when we breathe them in. Sometimes natural events like volcanic eruptions or dust storms can also put harmful chemicals or particles into the air. Some examples of harmful particles are carbon monoxide and ozone. When you know that there is a lot of pollution outside, there are steps you can take to protect your respiratory system. You can avoid heavy exercise outside, stay indoors when possible, and cover up your mouth with a mask when outdoors. Breathing fresh air can help us stay active and healthy, so let's do everything we can to help keep our air fresh and pollution-free.